Hey guys, today I'm doing a barely there coverage for you using Saint makeup. If you're not using this, why? Okay, so first we are going to start with my main foundation shade, and I'm just dabbing that in the areas where I need a little bit of coverage, because now I'm going to take my sunscreen and just one squirt of that sunscreen, and then I'm just going to rub that all in. Basically, this is just going to give me a little bit more coverage than a tinted sunscreen would. I really want to even out my skin tone and still be a very light coverage, and this is going to do it. So for you guys who want just something barely there, light coverage, mix your Saint pigment in with your sunscreen, and now you have a nice, flawless coverage. So now what I'm going to do is take my concealer shade, which is 2 shades lighter than my foundation. I'm just going to put that in the inner corner and the outer corner and really dab that, melt it into the skin, and just kind of give me that nice bright under eye. Now I'm going to go in with my contour. I'm just warming it up on my hand here, you'll see, and just to kind of melt that in a little bit more. Taking my thumb, and I'm going to press that makeup upward. We want everything to go upward. Now I'm going to take my bronzer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of dabs up there. We want that healthy glow. You have to have a healthy glow. I don't know how many times I have to tell people. Bronzer is life. Taking the bronzer brush, and I'm just buffing that in. You can buff this in as sheer as you want. I like to have sun, so, you know, I'm tapping mine in, but you can definitely buff and even make it even more sheer if you want to. Now I'm going to use my blush shade, just do a couple dabs here. You can do 1 or 2. This is what's great about this makeup. I'm just buffing that in again, just to give my face that nice, even coverage.